Greetings from Brooklyn. Ain't ever beautiful. I love New York. And this is the Dyker Heights Christmas lights. It's an annual tradition here in Brooklyn. You see some of the most beautiful light displays one could ever wish for. And I'm very happy to be back because I did not know that people changed their lighting display. Last time I was here and I saw this house, it was in all blue, and I dedicated this experience to my mom, who always wanted a blue Christmas tree, and said, "Mom, I am thinking of you." And again, Mom, I am thinking of you. But this house is all white this year. That is a lot of lights to change over. Somebody here really loves Christmas, and it draws a crowd of people who love to see the light displays. And this would be the 83rd Street at 12th Avenue. Now, 83rd to 86 is considered the official sort of map for the original families that did the Dyker Heights Christmas lights display. But I got here by taking the D train to 79th Street. You can get here for $2.75 from anywhere that there is a subway. And just walk over. And it is the Dyker Heights Christmas lights. And it is a really beautiful thing because this is something that is done by the residents. Each individual family does their own light display. And there's nothing commissioned from Visit NY, ilovenewyork.com,
Yes, sir.
Travel and Tourism of Brooklyn. This is really just residents who love the holiday so much that they are able to put together this show that brings together an entire community that comes out to see the lights. It's also a holiday in Brooklyn right now. It is the Our Lady of Guadalupe celebration, and the Our Lady of Grace Church over by Coney Island does a wonderful event that I attend every year. And then I go over to Coney Island for a modified version of the Polar Plunge. Make it a full Brooklyn experience. Now, the Polar Plunge actually happens on New Year's Day. People jump in the water to wash away the year that was prior and be fresh and ready for the new year. And this year it's 54 degrees. So my modified version was actually jumping in the water. I did swim today before visiting the Dyker Heights Christmas lights. Very excited to say that, as every year I kind of just put my feet in the water. And this year I am a Brooklyn swimmer. Now here is the most famous house of the Dyker Heights Christmas lights, because there is not an inch of space to put another Christmas light. And I kid you not, we are approaching right now. They even have a chair to do your own Christmas photos. Looks like we maybe even see. All right, maybe you could put a Christmas light right there. But overall, the space is full and it draws a crowd. There is the chair you can sit in to get your Christmas photo. It's very interesting because we are about to approach the shortest day of the year, December 21st. And then we welcome in the birth of the SUN as every day gets longer. It's also Hanukkah, Yule, all the collection of beautiful winter holidays. And this is a quick glimpse, a quick walking tour through Dyker Heights, Brooklyn, New York. Till next time, Merry Christmas.